This greedy ex-wife had already been handed a whopping $30,000, but when she demanded even more, the judge shut her down instantly.
So, Mr. Turley, is it a fair statement then the remaining issue is what, if any, attorney fees should be allowed to your client?
That's correct.
All right.
We're asking for $11,406.
Let me make sure I understand. You're wanting Caleb to pay for your attorney fees in pursuing relief on behalf of your client, not related to contempt?
That's correct.
And why is that fair?
So at the trial, Your Honor will recall, basically all of the facts were related to things that Mr. Kirkpatrick either had not done in violation of a court order, those things being the contemptuous behavior, and also those things he did or didn't do that negatively affected the minor child. We think that as a matter of justice and equity, my client should be entitled to her attorney's fees on everything. And as I noted in the affidavit, she was charged a significantly reduced rate as compared to my current customary. So as a matter of justice and equity, we think that should be an easy call for the court.
Ms. Locke, your client's response to this request for attorney fees?
Your Honor, we would ask the court deny the attorney's fees. Well, as the court just noted, Ms. Helton has had the opportunity to take at least almost $30,000 worth of cash that's sitting in her attorney's trust fund, a judgment that was awarded to her. But she elected not to. So we would question whether there truly is a financial need. These funds have been sitting there for 4 months now that she could have accessed, and we would have entered an agreed order for.
Your client has accessible to her over $34,000, which is sitting or has been in your client trust account. Why shouldn't the court consider her resources and her ability to pay your attorney fees, since she's the one that has initiated litigation, and have her pay her own lawyer?
I'm going to get paid one way or the other, whether it comes out of Brianna's dollars or Mr. Kirkpatrick's dollars. And in all seriousness, Judge, I don't think I've ever encountered a situation in my years of practice where attorney's fees are not awarded on a contempt of this kind.
I'm first intrigued about how you are able to determine so readily what's an easy decision for the court and what is a more difficult. But with that said, the court at this time does feel that justice, fairness, and equity requires that Mr. Kirkpatrick be responsible for some measure of accountability and reimbursement of attorney fees in relation to the contempt action that was filed in this case. After some research and thought, the court determines to be an appropriate average amount for attorney fees in this locality. And the court determines that to be a rate of $292 an hour. So the court will allow 10 hours, $292 an hour for the amount of $2,920 to be paid